You guys know what this is. What is this? Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs this video up, even though I didn't do anything yet. And go ahead and subscribe right down below, just so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. I know some of you guys are new here, and you probably came from my Childish Gambino This Is America reaction video. That video actually got blocked, so if you can't find it anymore, that's why. I didn't take it down, but you know, it is what it is. So anyway, today I will be doing a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be recording 2 looks today, so if you see me in the same outfit, it's the same day. But the first one I'm doing right now is actually this blue and yellow look. I wore it to work one day, and one of my coworkers wanted me to record it for her, so here I am doing it again. Alright, so we're just gonna get right into it. Oh, and I also picked up the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the dark deep, medium deep shade, and I've heard a lot of things about this, so we're gonna see about this today as well. Alright, so starting off, I am going to be taking my Fenty Beauty, you guys know what this is. What is this? Face primer. Woo! Face primer. Guys. Don't say anything. Leave me alone. Alright, so next I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade in the color Ebony. Alright, so now I'm taking my Sephora Bright Concealer in the color Pot de Creme, and I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the original color. And like I said before, I like this one way better than the Caffeine one I was using because it's not as thick, and I feel like that keeps it from creasing even better. So, and it dries slower and more even. So get the original, guys. Okay, taking my Morphe 35B palette, I am going to go into my upper lid crease area with, oh yeah, this light blue right here. And then I'm going to deepen it some more with the darker navy blue. Okay, now I'm gonna go in on my lid with this yellow right here and just blend it up into the blue. Alright, foundation time. So I am going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the color 440. Alright, so now I am going to be taking my Kat Von D Lock-It concealer, and I'm going to go under my eyes and highlight and all that good stuff. This is in the color Warm D37. so now I'm gonna take this Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep, and I'm going to actually bake. Hopefully this goes well. We'll see. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Zuri pressed powder in Nuit, and I'm going to set my contour areas. Dust away the set powder. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my e.l.f. Cream eyeliner in black and do a little wing real quick. Okay, so now I'm just gonna highlight with my ABH Glow Kit in Sundipped, and I am taking, of course, you already know, Tourmaline right here. Young nigga been a problem. Smoking on this weed got me high. And I'm taking my Sephora lashes in plush. Alright, I'm gonna take my Urban Decay mascara in Perversion. Haha, that's what it is. I'm gonna take my Kylie liquid lipstick in Love Bite. Alright, and I'm just gonna spray with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray, and then we're done. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and thumbs it up. Don't forget to subscribe right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos as well. Follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. All that's going to be on the next screen and down below in the description for you. And yeah, I think that's it. So see you guys in my next video. If you on the road trying to get it, fucking to a shot, none of your business.